Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can you export your videos from CapCut PC, how to change quality, how to add title, basically all the settings we can change while exporting our video. So for example, we have this video which is like from 4 different videos with transitions without any audio, and what if we need to export it? So in order to do this, all we need is just to click on export in the right top corner. So after that the process will start, and we now able to like change different parameters. So this is our exporting window, and as you can see we have a title here, we have like duration, size, which is like developed to our by solution, by codec, by bitrate, and by format. So after that we're able to change our title. So we need to write something, for example like video, or there will be like standard name. As you can see, there was like numbers. So after that we need to change the export folder, where do we need to export our video. I'll just choose desktop, but maybe you have like folder for your video, so you can choose it right up here. And this is a way where can we find our exported videos. Basically sometimes there is a problem with finding the videos from CapCut, so this is the way how you can solve this problem. After that, sometimes our window looks like this. We need to choose video exporting, because of course we will export our project as a video. So after that we need to change the resolution. Basically it's set like the project settings, but we can change it here. So I suggest you to choose like the highest quality of your video. So if you have like 2K videos, choose 2K resolution. Codec, basically I use this one. I don't know what's the difference, but I don't think that it's matter. Format MP4, and I also have Move on Mac, but maybe on Windows devices you have the another format, so you can try to find some differences. And of course the frame rate 30 fps, or you can choose the most suitable for you. So after that we just need to click on export, and in a few seconds or maybe minutes everything will be done. And basically that's all the settings we can choose in CapCut PC. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. Goodbye.